Recently, the Bratislava Tram system constructed by CRCC officially commenced commercial service, marking the project transitions from testing and trial runs to full public service. The 8.5-kilometer electrified tram line represents Slovakia's capital city's only major rail transit infrastructure development in recent years. The comprehensive project encompasses track infrastructure, 7 passenger stations, 2 bridges, electrical systems, and supporting facilities. CRCC has enhanced both project execution efficiency and construction quality through strategic initiatives, including technical resource integration, streamlined management processes, and reinforced quality assurance measures, ensuring timely delivery of a high-quality infrastructure project.